morning to everyone. This is Naveen. I'm studying 8th class. I'm from JPHS High School in Durti, Mandal, Chirumamli. My topic is old age homes and a cultural shock of India. In India, the concept of old age homes has historically been a source of cultural tension, as traditionally family structures often revolve around multi-generational living. In Indian culture, places strong emphasis on family care for elderly members. Rooted in values like seva and sanskars, traditionally children, especially the eldest son, were expected to care for their parents in old age as an expression of love, respect and duty. The idea of old age homes can feel like a cultural shock to many in India for a few reasons. First, social and family expectations. In Indian society, taking care of elderly parents is often seen as moral and social duty. The shift towards institutionalized elder care can be perceived as neglectful or as failure to uphold family responsibilities, even if that isn't the case. Children who opt for old age homes for their parents may face social stigma or criticisms. Next, erosion of joint family system. The joint family system, where multiple generations are lived together, was once the norm but has a decline due to urbanization, career mobility, and nuclear families. The dissolution of this traditional structure has created a void in elder care, pushing some families to consider for old age homes, where the parents and the children are both uncomfortable. Next, generational value gaps. Elderly Indians grew up with expectations of familial care. Often find it emotionally challenging to live in an old age homes. Even the facilities are also too good. Next, urbanization and globalization. With urbanization and globalization, more young Indians are moving to different cities or abroad for work, which makes it difficult to provide consistent in-home care. In such cases, old age homes are seen as a practical solution. This shift often results in feeling of guilt among children and disappointment among parents. In summary, while old age homes are gaining gradual acceptance in India, they remain culturally controversial. As society continues to modernize, perceptions may shift, but the transformation will likely be slow, involving both societal attitudes and family dynamics. Thank you so much.